Grace, love, and unity. Princess Catherine and Charlotte steal the spotlight at Easter. Hello, royal watchers. Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay with us for inspiring stories and unforgettable moments. A touching royal moment unfolds as Catherine, Princess of Wales, and Princess Charlotte share a quiet, hand-in-hand walk that melts hearts worldwide. Amid tradition and grandeur, this simple gesture reveals the true power of love, family, and connection. Sometimes the most unforgettable royal moments aren't grand, they're beautifully human. Witness love, elegance, and family unity as this unforgettable moment captures the world's attention in the most touching way. On a crisp Easter Sunday morning at St. George's Chapel, the royal family stepped out into the gentle breeze, but it was a quiet, heartfelt moment that stole every gaze. As Catherine, Princess of Wales, walked alongside her daughter, Princess Charlotte, the two shared soft smiles and warm conversation, hands clasped tightly, as if the world beyond didn't exist. Behind them, Prince William walked proudly with Prince George and Prince Louis, their matching navy suits reflecting unity and tradition. The scene felt almost cinematic, timeless, graceful, and deeply human. Earlier, King Charles III shared a gentle gesture with Charlotte, placing a loving hand on her shoulder before entering the chapel with Queen Camilla. As the royals gathered, laughter and warmth filled the air despite the chilly winds. Among grandeur and tradition, it was this simple act, a mother and daughter holding hands, that reminded everyone watching, love doesn't need words, titles, or crowns to be felt. Royal appearances often symbolize tradition, unity, and public duty. Events like Easter services at Windsor highlight continuity within the monarchy. Small gestures, like holding hands, humanize public figures, strengthening emotional connection with audiences and reinforcing values of family, stability, and compassion within modern royal representation. Sometimes the smallest gestures carry the greatest meaning. A simple handhold can express love, protection, and connection beyond words. In a fast-moving world, this moment reminds us to slow down, cherish family bonds, and show affection openly, because these are the memories that truly last a lifetime. Did this moment touch your heart? Share your thoughts below, like the video, and subscribe for more inspiring royal stories, emotional moments, and timeless glimpses into family, love, and legacy.